go with the next session, that is a proposed talk and pre-registration talks. So Martin, now you can share.
I am just about to. Just need to share this quickly. Okay, you should see this, right? Maybe not. Maybe the sharing doesn't matter so much. The announcement is quite easy. It is that we have just skipped a couple of slides before on pre-registration, which we had for the introduction of the conference. And while at that time it was not important to go through detail of what the pre-registration process is, perhaps now is a very good time to remind people shortly of what pre-registration is about, because we'll have the first talks presented by paper authors of pre-registration papers. So I just want to give you a 2-minute reminder of how the pre-registration process works. In essence, it's a bit different from the paper submission you're conventionally used to, because we're splitting the creation and confirmation of hypotheses. So what that means is the accepted papers and the talks you're going to see now for those papers will have written a paper that has been peer-reviewed based on ideas and theories and hypotheses developed from them. They have not yet empirically been confirmed, so there's not been any experiments to either verify or contradict the hypothesis that has been created. So we did this because it's a more rigorous process to explore science as found in other scientific disciplines that isn't as prone to basically confirmation validation bias. So in other words, the papers you're seeing or the talks you're seeing, they might follow up with the experimental protocol they've proposed, but find out that the intuition or the hypothesis had good reasons but were wrong in the end. So they have negative results. But then the good thing about pre-registration is that those papers will still get published for others to benefit from them. So TLDR, I'm saying this now because you might be surprised maybe that some talks will not have experimental results yet. And basically I'm priming you to not ask the question, but what about the results? Because the essence is there are no results yet for these papers. So that's all, and back to Julio, thanks.
Thanks, Martin, for the clarification.